back to another video. Today I'm going to be spraying my clover food plot. I got my crop care 100 gallon sprayer on my T4.105. I got about 35 gallons mixed in there. I got Buddy Rack, Lethodim, and I'm going to be spraying it for some weed competition that I got in the food plot. Clover pot is actually beautiful. I can see there's some deer in there right now. Let's see if they'll hang around till when we get closer. Got some turkeys. See her there, just hanging out right underneath the apple tree. As you can see the white clover. Deer are just devouring it. So all the brown has been killed off from the last time I sprayed it. Just want to do it one more time. Spread out the boom now. just did like 2 laps. I got maybe another 1.5 to go. But I noticed one of my apple trees, you know, it looks like it's dying. And you know, if I would have known like years ago about the chestnut trees, I would have just planted hundreds of chestnut trees. I mean, I got over about 30 of them now, but I got a lot of apple trees. Like I got 50 apple trees on my property that I planted. And I just like don't understand, you know, this tree was planted like 3-4 years ago. You can see this one has apples, this one has apples, this one's doing okay. And then you look at this one, it's 9. That's a peach tree full of peach. There's a pear. There's a pear right there. That's a pear on it. If I would have known, I would have planted more chestnut trees for sure. It's just disappointing because you do all that hard work, you trim the trees, you feed the trees, and then all of a sudden, like, you think the tree's doing good because it bloomed up in the spring, and now look, it's the end of July and it looks like it's dying. Maybe I'll just replace it with a chestnut tree. Show everyone the herbicide. So this is the Buddy Rack 200 broadleaf herbicide that I use, and Clethodim 2E. I also use this surfactant for the herbicide to make it stick to the weeds.